Hi traders, quick look at what I was up to today. I didn't take this long. This is the down 2 minute chart at the open. So the pro gap, it was plus 60 points, ran up to 900. I shorted it here at 890. When I saw it bottoming here, I just ramped the stop up and got taken out. I should have flipped it because once we broke up here later in the session, we moved up, broke that resistance and shot up to 940. Let's look at the dailies. I was looking for this Dow to come up to here anyway, so I'd love to get short. I think we might go back to 15,070, something like that. We'll see a massive amount of resistance of 15,000, which we are not that far off. So that would be a good target for me to start to get short. I've got an alarm up there ready. Moving around the markets, I'm holding US dollar yen, put this in the room. Looking to see if this can break 98.20. I bought 93.40, 97.45. So a reasonable buffer. In fact, I could keep my stop underneath that bar and then just tomorrow see if that breaks, because I would look for 98.90, massive amount of resistance up there. So if I can get that overnight in the Asian session, I will be very happy. I took a little stop out today in the pound yen. In the 60-minute chart, there was it looked as if it was holding. I can't remember the price now, but dropped right. It broke the last couple of days' lows. So I'm just leaving that be for the moment, but it does look now as if that is short. We are below the weekly pivot, we're below the 8 and 20 EMA. That does not look healthy. Pound US. This is now shortable. If we get a short, if we pull back to 153.80, I would short that. We put that up there. Alert. Euro just clinging on to 130. Just. I think that's now a short at 130.55. Oil. A pretty good day. I did trade some of it. In a way, I probably could have made more money today if it did nothing but oil. The invents today. 93.74 was a major support. It bust up to 95.70. Yeah, I would buy this. If we see 95 again tomorrow, I would be a buyer of that. Dow. We've done that, haven't we? Let's look at the Nikkei. Nikkei is just hanging in there. We're failing at this level here. I talked about the weekend. I'd like to see a bit more of a bounce in that because I want the Dow to come up higher for me to get short the Dow. Okay, so looking for high levels in the Dow, looking for shorts in pound US dollar, leaving pound yen alone, and we'll buy a pullback in the pound, in the oil, sorry. Quick look at bellwether stocks. SSE just hanging in there, rolls. A little bit of a bounce, but we're now vulnerable to pullbacks to 1150 in that one. Lloyd's, not a bad day. That's a good bullish chart there. Massive amount of resistance at 63.40, but let's look at Barclays then. Barclays had a good day as well. So we're seeing a bit of a bounce in these stocks, but there's Goldman's. Bank of America. So the US stocks are not great. Okay, that's all I've got for you. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow.